In today's shorts, we are going to see a very important MCQ for Neet exam. This is a direct question. Diffusion membrane is made up of three major layers, namely the thin squamous epithelium of the alveoli, the endothelium of alveolar capillaries, and the basement membrane and the basement substance in between them. We take in oxygen and we give out carbon dioxide. Okay, so lungs is a soft tissue. It does not have any bone. It is made up of only soft tissue, and that soft tissue is nothing but made up of bunches of alveoli. Okay, they are grape like structures. Okay, see, it is given here, they are vascularized bag like structures. Vascularized means they have enormous blood supply. Vascularity means blood supply. So each and every alveoli is a small rounded small grapes like, okay, or bag like structure which is surrounded by blood vessels, lot of blood vessels. This picture they have shown small rounded structures. This is called as the alveoli. Okay, in this diagram they have shown, they have focused only on one such a small bag like structure. They have focused only one alveoli. Inside the alveoli you have alveolar cavity. Cavity means what? An empty space. When we breathe in, air enters the lung. Inside the lung, air enters the alveoli. In the alveolar cavity, oxygen and carbon dioxide gases are exchanged. Oxygen from the alveoli enters the blood vessel, and carbon dioxide, which is carried from different parts of the body, from different tissues of the body, is given to the alveoli. That is the membranes which the oxygen and the carbon dioxide has to cross is called as the diffusion membrane. So this diffusion membrane is made up of three layers. Can you see this small green color structure? A single layer of cells which lines the alveolar cavity is called as the squamous epithelium. So the first layer is the thin squamous epithelium of the alveoli. This one, the thin squamous epithelium of the alveoli. And second is the endothelium of alveolar capillaries. They have mentioned the other green color single layer of cells. Okay, this is called as endothelium. Endothelium is nothing but a single layer of cell which lines the blood vessels. Okay, so capillaries, see, you have three types of blood vessels: arteries, veins, and capillaries. Capillaries are the very minute structure. Okay, so these capillaries are lined only by a single layer of cells called as endothelium. So the first layer is thin squamous epithelium of the alveoli, and second is the endothelium of alveolar capillaries and the basement substance between them. The yellow color portion is the basement substance. Basement substance means this is a extracellular matrix. Like matrix means a jelly like substance, because this is a jelly like substance which holds these two structures together. These structures are all got embedded or fixed into the jelly like matrix. Okay, if I have to mention the layers in order, then when oxygen enters, it has to cross the thin squamous epithelium of the alveoli, the basement membrane, and the endothelium of the alveolar capillaries. If the carbon dioxide has to cross the diffusion membrane, then the order of the layers is endothelium of the alveolar capillaries, basement membrane, and the thin squamous epithelium which lines the alveoli.